Hello, hello, hello. Do you want to know how the Sugo app works? Well, okay. Let's see how it works. Okay. Step by step and everything. Okay. Well, the first thing we had to do is go to the Sugo app. Okay. And here we would have, well, we could change the language. Okay. So, for it to be understood, okay, the first thing we would have to do is go to the messages section. Okay, here in the messages section is where, well, you can talk to people. Okay, they can send you messages, you can send the messages. How do we send the messages? We go here. New users, and here we would need to activate the location, okay? Well, now as we see here, people will appear and we can say hi, for example, and here we would send them a notification from the chat, and well, she could interact with us here. We would have this of new users. Okay, in moments we could have here, well, like a community. Okay, like a social network, people post things, for example. Okay, and we could also interact with hi, and it would send us a default message, and they could also interact with us here. We would also have the rooms, which are like voice rooms. For new people, it can be very useful, and also for people who have been using the app for a long time. We would just click on one of these rooms and it would take us into the room. Well, automatically it could also be filtered by countries and everything. Well, here we would have our account, and here it would also tell us who has visited us. For example, and this has been a review. Well, let's see how the Sugo app works. So goodbye.